Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code, DTC P0523, indicates a high voltage condition in the engine oil pressure sensor circuit. This can signify that the output voltage from the engine oil pressure sensor is above specified limits, which leads the powertrain control module, PCM, to detect and log this anomaly. The engine oil pressure sensor is crucial in monitoring the oil pressure within the engine, ensuring that it operates efficiently and preventing potential damage due to insufficient lubrication. The PCM uses this data to adjust engine functions accordingly. A fault in this circuit can result in engine performance issues or trigger other warning indicators, alerting the driver of a possible problem. Understanding this code and its implications can lead to timely interventions and repairs, preserving vehicle integrity and performance. The error described by DTC P0523 specifically involves the engine oil pressure sensor and the PCM. The engine oil pressure sensor is located typically near the oil filter and measures the oil pressure in the engine. It provides essential data to the PCM, which in turn uses this information to make real-time adjustments to the engine's performance and efficiency. An elevated voltage signal from the sensor can indicate either a malfunctioning sensor or issues within the related wiring or components. The PCM interprets this high voltage as a fault condition, which results in the logging of DTC P0523. Advanced diagnostic tools like the HDS, Honda Diagnostic System, can provide further insights into the oil pressure readings, helping technicians confirm any abnormalities. There are several potential causes for the occurrence of DTC P0523. The first possibility is a faulty engine oil pressure sensor itself, which may erroneously send high voltage readings to the PCM. Another common cause is an open circuit in the wiring that connects the sensor to the PCM. Damaged, frayed, or corroded wires can disrupt the signal and trigger the fault code. Lastly, a malfunctioning PCM can also lead to misinterpretation of the sensor's readings, resulting in the logging of this DTC. Each of these causes can significantly impact the engine's operation and require careful inspection to diagnose accurately. Drivers may notice various symptoms associated with DTC P0523. The most immediate symptom is the illumination of warning lights on the dashboard, signaling possible engine issues. Additionally, there could be observable performance issues, such as stalling, rough idling, or a decrease in acceleration responsiveness, which can stem from improper oil pressure readings. Moreover, drivers might also notice a direct impact on engine oil pressure, potentially leading to decreased oil flow to critical engine components. Recognizing these symptoms is vital, as ignoring them can lead to severe engine damage and costly repairs down the line. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0523 involves turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. At this point, the technician should utilize the HDS to check the voltage of the rocker arm oil pressure sensor, referred to as EOP sensor voltage. If the voltage reading exceeds 4.79 volts, it confirms that the issue is indeed present and duplicates the failure captured as DTC P0523. This step is crucial for determining whether the problem resides within the sensor itself or possibly in another component along the oil pressure sensor circuit. In the second step, the technician needs to disconnect the engine oil pressure sensor connector, identified as a 3-pin 3P connector. The technicians then proceed to jump the terminals number 1 and number 2 using a jumper wire, effectively bypassing the sensor. By turning the vehicle to the on mode again, the technician can directly observe the HDS reading for the rocker arm oil pressure sensor. Under normal conditions, the reading should register below 4.79 volts. If the reading remains normal, the issue may be isolated to the engine oil pressure sensor itself. Conversely, if the reading is abnormal, focus should shift to other components in the circuit. For the third troubleshooting step, technicians are advised to disconnect the PCM connector, referred to as connector E80P, after jumping the SCS service check signal line with the HDS and waiting for a minute. This intentional disconnection allows for safe and thorough inspection of the wiring. Technicians will need to assess the resistance of the signal path, focusing on both OPSEN oil pressure sensor signal and SG2 ground, ensuring it measures less than 1 ohm. High resistance readings can indicate a problem within the wiring, thus requiring repair or replacement to ensure proper function. The final troubleshooting step involves assessing the functionality of the PCM itself. If previous steps indicated that all other circuits and components were performing normally, this narrows down the potential cause to the PCM. Technicians will need to verify that the PCM is providing the correct signal output and managing the oil pressure sensor input properly. If any abnormalities are detected, it may confirm that the PCM is indeed the source of the issue, necessitating repair or replacement to rectify the DTC P0523. An effective resolution of this process ensures the successful restoration of engine function and reliability. After repairs have been completed, it is essential to verify that the issue has been resolved. This begins with clearing the DTC P0523 using the HDS. Once cleared, the technician should conduct a test drive of the vehicle to ensure that everything operates as intended. During this test drive, monitoring is critical, as the technician must be alert for any returning symptoms or warning lights that indicate the issue might not be fully resolved. Ensuring that the DTC does not reappear is the final confirmation that repairs have successfully addressed the underlying problem, thereby securing the vehicle's performance and safety. To prevent issues like DTC P0523 from occurring, regular maintenance of the vehicle is paramount. Routine oil changes are critical as they ensure the engine operates with clean oil, reducing wear on the oil pressure sensor and other vital engine components. Additionally, regular inspections of the oil pressure sensor can catch potential issues before they escalate into serious faults. Technicians should also conduct circuit checks periodically to confirm that all wiring remains intact and free from corrosion or damage. This preemptive approach can help maintain vehicle reliability and performance while avoiding costly repairs associated with sensor failures. In conclusion, DTC P0523 serves as a critical alert regarding the engine oil pressure sensor's performance. Understanding the importance of the oil pressure sensor in regulating engine function is vital, as high voltage readings can signify significant underlying issues. Each step of the troubleshooting process lays the foundation for thorough inspection and accurate diagnosis, ensuring that technicians do not overlook potential problems. Maintaining proactive preventive measures can greatly decrease the likelihood of encountering this fault code in the future. Ultimately, timely intervention and diligent follow-up inspections enhance overall vehicle reliability and performance, safeguarding the engine's longevity. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.